Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to give your dog a simple grooming at home. While it may seem straightforward, grooming takes some practice. So if you're unsure, it's always best to see a professional. Step 1. Bath time. First things first, start with a bath. Use a neutral dog shampoo that's gentle on their skin. Make sure to focus on areas like the legs and underbelly, and be careful around the ears. You can even use earplugs to keep water out. Step 2. Drying and detangling. After the bath, gently towel dry your dog, then use a blow dryer and comb to get rid of any knots. Pay extra attention to areas like the legs, tail, and ears, where knots tend to form. Step 3. Paw and pad grooming. Next, trim the fur between the paw pads using a trimmer or small scissors. Be gentle, especially if it's your dog's first time. For the paw edges, trim around the pads for a neat, rounded look. Step 4. Tail and underbelly. Keep the underbelly area shaved short, especially for male dogs, to prevent odors. Always shave in the direction of the hair to avoid uneven lines. Next, let's move to the tail, combing out any knots before trimming to keep it clean and tidy. Step 5. Face and ears. For the face, gently remove excess hair around the eyes and snout, making sure to avoid any discomfort. Use texturizing shears to give it a polished look. When working on the ears, comb through any tangles before trimming. We're almost there. To put the final touches on it, continue shaping around the face and head using a mix of scissors and shears until your dog looks neat and clean. Congratulations, you did it! Your dog is now groomed and looking handsome or pretty ready to roll in the mud. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. See you next time.